In this video, I want to show you how to check for plagiarism on Checker X. This software is the best alternative to Turnitin. So let's get started. To start, let me show you the document I want to check for plagiarism. Here is the document. Let me open it and show you. After preparing my document, I want to check for plagiarism test before I submit it. So after going through setting your documents, then let me close it. Open Plagiarism Checker X. Double click to launch it. So Plagiarism Checker X is coming up. Yes. Let me maximize it. Here is the interface of Plagiarism Checker X. So make sure you are under online plagiarism. Then come down here and click on Load Documents to bring in your documents. So navigate to where you have your documents. In my own case, this is it. Click to select it and click on Open. In few seconds, it will be loaded. So you can see the preview of your documents. Just go through it and be sure you loaded the correct documents. Yes, after confirmations, come down here and click on Check Plagiarism. Click on it. It's searching for plagiarism and it will take some time depending on the size of the document you are checking plagiarism for. So in my case, it's still searching for plagiarism and you can see the level it has reached. So after checking, it will bring the reports, and here you can see the report of plagiarism test. So you can see it here. This is the score. In this case, it's very low. That is, I have 0% plagiarism. So you can see it here. And if you search within the document, you see the area where there is plagiarism. So you can also check for AI as well if you wish to. So let's come back to score. Then if I come back to dashboard, I can see the report of my plagiarism test. So if I click on view results, it will open it as a PDF and also prompt me to save the reports. Click on OK and you can see the report here, Plagiarism Checker X report. You can see it here and you can see remarks, the date, the source, the verification code. You can see everything here. So in essence, this is how to check plagiarism test in Plagiarism Checker X. Thank you for watching.